Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Riku from Japan. This channel is all about Go, which is an exciting and easy to start board game. In the last video, I talked about a famous Go anime, Hikaru no Go. I'll be very happy if you enjoyed or even started reading or watching it. Now you have already learned Go rules and how to play it in the previous videos. So it is time to improve your skills by knowing a variety of moves and strategies. Today's topic is about strategy related to territory. I think you are already familiar with the concept of territory, which is an area enclosed by stones, and the size of a territory decides the win and loss. So I'll explain how to make a larger territory to win a game. Let's get started. First topic is about positioning. Where do you think the best area to make a territory? Center area, side area, or corner area? For beginners, it is recommended to make a territory near sidelines or corner area because it requires less moves to make a territory. In the center area, you need to place stones on all sides, up, down, left and right to make a territory, while you can use sidelines when the territory is close to it. As you get into advanced level, it becomes more important to make a territory in the center area, but for now, you better focus on the side area. Additionally, you have more chance to use sidelines with a 9x9 board because it is smaller than 19x19 board. So now, what to do to make a territory at the side area? Let me give you some tips for opening moves. The basic principle is to place stones on the third and fourth lines from the outside, like here and here. By planning on the third and fourth lines, which are not too far nor close to the sidelines, you can make sure that you will enclose territory with sidelines. Let's take a look at an example. All the moves are made on the third and fourth lines, and both black 1, 3 and white 2, 4 are played close to one of the corners. This is also an important principle to play near the corner. Then, followed by black 5 and white 6, territories are roughly shaped like the right side for black and left side for white. This is typical moves of opening setting. Players often spread their stones and roughly shape their territory. I know it is not easy for beginners, but be aware of where you want to make your territory and place stones around it. Now, let me show you another case. Black 1 is played pretty close to the center. White 2 is put on the left, so black 3 faces it. Then, white 4 is placed on the upright, and black 5 is placed here to make sure black's territory at the bottom. For now, it seems the bottom area of black's territory is larger than white's one. This shows opening moves have a big influence on the size of territory, though white can still fight back. For the final case, let's play in the center area. It may seem not a good move, but actually it is pretty effective as well. After black 1 is put at the center, white 2 comes right next to it. It is possible to follow the basic principle and play near the corner, but that allows white to capture black 1. Therefore, black 3 is placed here. Then, they compete each other to take away the center area by putting white 4, black 5, and white 6. When the very first move is played at the center, fierce battle begins immediately. So you can try it if you like that. However, this is less common, and for the beginner players, I definitely recommend playing on the third and fourth lines following the basic principle. I introduced 3 different moves for the opening. You don't need to remember the moves. The important thing is to have a view of the middle and the closing stage of the game. It is difficult for the beginner players, so what you need to do is to play a lot of games and learn from them. So time for reviewing. Today I explained 2 important tips to enclose larger territory. One is to play near the corner, and another is to play on the 3rd and the 4th lines for the opening moves. Also, don't forget to always have a view of how the game goes on later. In the next video, I'll talk about the life and death of stones and how to make sure of it. See you soon! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.